Citing the ongoing crisis in Manipur and the severe hardships faced by its people, the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi, has asserted that observing the Ghar Tiranga campaign holds no significance in the state. In a press release issued by its IPR subcommittee convener, Cocomi highlighted that many innocent lives have been lost and thousands remain displaced in relief camps since the unrest began on May 3, 2023. The organization stated that the people of Manipur are in no position to participate in a campaign aimed at fostering patriotism and national unity when they are enduring profound suffering and insecurity. Cocomi further alleged that the prolonged unrest is a proxy war orchestrated by the government of India using Chinkuki narco-terrorists. It emphasized that the rights of the Meitei and indigenous communities are being allegedly suppressed, pointing out that the Meitei community is unable to travel safely along national highways or cultivate crops in fringe and vulnerable areas. The CSO described the situation as a denial of the fundamental constitutional rights and freedoms within their own homeland. Decrying the alleged apathy of both the state and central governments in resolving the crisis, Cocomi questioned the appropriateness of hoisting the Indian tricolor flag under such conditions. The organization also appealed to the general public to raise black flags instead of the tricolor in view of the prevailing situation.